So you want to know a problem that this truck had? The windshield wiper popped off. Now, how are we gonna have a clean windshield without a windshield wiper? Huh? Now, all we gotta do is that we gotta pray that it doesn't rain around here in the city of wherever we are. $3.95 for gas? Oh, heck no. I'm not paying that much for gas. Well, actually, this is actually a diesel, so I imagine it's going to be a lot more than gas is going to be. Like $5 or even more than that. Woo! Go get 'em, boys! Go get 'em! Great. More traffic.
Go there, doo-wop.
Let's go.
Where's that wiper blade?
Right here.
Take a look at it.
Oh, you gotta move. There's a lot of homeless people around.
We can put it back on. It's not broke.
Stop here on red. Yeah. Floor to the... Maybe not floor to the max, but yeah.
Here's another bottleneck.
Yep. This is what rush hour looks like in Portland. Lots and lots and lots and lots of traffic.
We're gonna sneak in here.
Let's see if we can slip in. Perfect.
We're gonna sneak again.
See, our big truck can fit in through everything.
Okay, how many miles?
In 2.5 miles, we're gonna be taking exit 2.
Taking what?
Exit 2.
Okay. We'll check in and then we'll go find some place to eat.
Fun. Whoa, what's going on over there? Somebody brake check somebody? I don't know. Entering
Back there.
Washington.
There's a place over the water. I'll bet that's expensive.
It looks like a nice place to eat.
Exit 2.
Yeah, exit 2. That's what we're on the lookout for. Can't tell from this angle if we're clear or not. Exit 1C, 1D. I remember driving through this kind of traffic. It wasn't as bad as it was. Oh no, here comes the rain. Let the non-wiper do its thing.